In criminal justice, there's just no way to really talk about the concepts and the students to grasp it like going through a scenario.
The mock scenario, something that we do annually, is mainly focused for the criminal justice students, but we always get a lot of disciplines involved every year.
It was a big half-a-day-long event in which the CJ students get real-life experiential learning on different set-up crime scenes that are acted out by the theater arts students.
I think that made it as real as possible to work with other people in real life. At a crime scene, you're not going to be working with just other crime people. You're going to have a wide variety of people you're working with, so having to work around that was useful and realistic.
Criminal justice, we don't see the theater students a lot. We don't see exercise science. So we got to interact with them and learn more what they do. And I think we all develop a level of appreciation for each other and like a level of respect for each other's disciplines and majors.
It's a drastic difference between what you learn in a classroom setting and what you learn in a real world setting. Both are impossibly important.
Whenever the alumni actually did the break into the house, that was really realistic for me. The way that they were communicating, the way that they were talking, and I was like, wow, this is really what they do a lot, every single day in their field. But it was just interesting and really real to see the alumni do it.
Having enough of a body of experience to be able to come back and with cautious authority be able to tell them like, hey, I'm a resource. Here's my contact info. If you need anything, if you have questions, it's an honor to be able to do those kind of things, to be involved.
While yes, we are working on our craft and we are trying to be experts in the theater world, it is really cool to be able to watch other people be experts in the CJ world. There's so much knowledge to be had and they're all ingesting it so quick.
The criminal justice professors here are unlike any other I've ever met. They have your back, they'll do anything for you. Their support is unreal, and they want to make sure every student gets the best experience possible.
By exposing them to scenarios and experiential learning, then they can take the concepts from the classroom and they can then come back around and reflect and say, oh, okay, I get it, or oh, here's something that I totally didn't even consider when we were talking about it in class.
It also just makes me gain a sense of appreciation for Peak and just all the experiential learning that we're able to do. Without that, we wouldn't have those experiences. And I've learned, this is not what I want to do, or this is what I want to do because of those classes. So the new students coming in that get to go through that entire process and that entire curriculum are so lucky, and they should really take advantage of that. I know I have as a student, and I'll continue to take advantage of that while I'm here.